Guys, today we are in Georgia. We're at the approach trail to the Appalachian Trail, or Appalachian, depends how we want to say it.
He's got his genuine diamonds on.
I got my genuine George on. I'll show you guys that in a second. But we're out here, we're gonna be hiking. Today's gonna be a hiking video. Nice.
How'd you get that?
The last one got 500 views, so shout out to you guys. Anything else to say, guys?
Well, she's wearing a t-shirt, I'm wearing 4 shirts. 4 layers, FYI.
And gloves for some reason.
And I got 2 straps on my backpack.
I got 2 straps, one on my chest and one on my belly.
Oh, that was good.
What's that? What's that?
Too close, too close.
You want me to hold it?
I think this just works.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be the main filmer today.
Kyle's main filmer.
Talking to here.
I'm gonna be the main filmer today, yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's get started. Let's go. I mean, we walked like a few centimeters through like mulch, but we haven't.
Did you put jingling?
No, she's gonna jingle the whole way.
You gave me a mic for some reason. I shoved
Okay,
my
so
watch
on
in
this
my
trip,
bag.
I got a new watch. It's a George Diamond, okay?
Genuine.
If y'all know about George, that's the real deal. Plus, I got new boots that match my exact boots that I had for like years. And they're oboes. And Leah got new boots too. And I got new pants, Nike Dry Fit.
Dang.
You know what I'm saying? So we're ready.
His fit is dry. Oh, we're coming back.
Wow, what a fancy transition.
Oh, look through here. Can I see it?
Oh, you got 2 mics.
Look at that. It looks so cool through here. Do you guys remember the Laurel versus Yanny thing? You know what I mean? Like, were they saying Laurel or were they saying Yanny? The other thing is the dress. Is it gold or white, or is it black and blue? So that reminded me of that. But anyways, we're going. We don't even know where we're going right now. But that looks pretty cool. The logs going up there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like really steep.
Back up.
I was itching my nose.
Bruh.
We're already tired. Oh! I just saw the top mountain one. Yeah.
We just did.
Oh! Guys, that's where we started over there at the parking lot. And this is where we are now. That's awesome. Kyle, zoom into that little spot where it's like the water's breaking right there.
I'm shaking.
Yeah.
I'm shaking because I just walked up 10 million stairs, so sorry.
But dude.
Why?
We made it. 425, difficulty strenuous.
Plus 200 at the beginning.
Mom said plus 200 at the beginning. They're over there chilling. We had to stop a bunch of times on the benches down there. There was a lot of steps. My legs are like busted. But come over here and look at the waterfall. Freaking Weird Al Dude behind us.
Weird Al Dude. He's like, wake her up, God.
Yeah. It's like in person, it's crazy. It's pretty cool.
Yo, we started from there.
Yeah.
No,
Dude, look at the freaking scenery. We can see mountains for like
holy crap.
like 100 miles away.
Yo, Kanye, where you at, bro?
That's crazy.
Kanye, where you at?
No, not Kanye, where you at, bro? He's a Nazi. Come on, man.
No, but we started all the way down there. Dude, it's a little house, and then we walked down here to the parking lot. Oh, there's something there. We walked over here to the parking lot, right?
Oh, yeah.
And then, dude, we walked up all the way to up here.
Crazy work.
Dude, how do you feel?
I feel tired, sweaty. There's like holes in the back of the backpack, but like it didn't help at all. Like it's just matted to my back. But
It's probably loud as crap.
yeah. But if I get close, it's just gonna max out the mic.
That's true. Dude, it looks so close, right? Like, can I get the mic?
Yeah.
Yo, all this water, all the water that's all the way down there.
Too close. Hold on.
Oh, my bad. Dude, it all comes from this tiny little stream.
Look at these screws. Like who put those in? You see that?
Bruh. Who put those in there?
Man, they were just whacking and crap. Like, they didn't even screw them in, they just hammered them in. Anyway, the view is immaculate, gorgeous. So we're gonna hike like back to our thing now, back to our RV. Dear God, I thank you for everything you gave to us. Taking devils away from us. And you made a way for us. And that's not me, that's the dog.
Turn around and do it behind you then. Or stop moving.
No!
Yeah, stop. Oh my god.
Okay, so what am I?
Put the filter into the water. Now do it up and down 5 times. Hold it together. Now down. No, keep it in the water. Put it down in the water. Get another one.
This is like not deep enough. I don't want to go over here. It's so cold.
Kyle, you're supposed to land right there and do it. Kyle, it doesn't matter how deep it is. Just do it.
Why do I want sediment in my water? Alright, I'm gonna wait 1 minute.
Well, that's why there's a gas tank filter in there.
I can't like hold both at the same time.
You can do it.
What?
You can do it. That's
Dude,
2.
I can't. Mom, if I try to pull back, it just like pops off.
Hold them both at the same time.
I can't.
Give it to me then.
Look, if you're holding both.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
No.
Then do it.
Must just like hold it with my legs.
No.
Why is this so difficult? How are you supposed to hold it like that? What if I do it like this?
Kyle, can I please have it?
Dude, okay. Oh! I'm never doing this ever again.
Okay.
5 times? Are you kidding me?
Show us how to do it. Show us how to do
Okay.
it.
Alright.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, that's it. Okay, you're just sucking up all the dirt.
There's no dirt coming in there. No water either.
Hey guys, bring it over here.
Oh my god. My feet low key.
I'd rather just drink the dang water.
Yeah. Right, you gotta use a
See how it's
medical
getting
syringe?
easier? You gotta filter the carbon or whatever's in it.
Filter the carbon. My feet hurt so bad.
Is it in the water?
I'm just gonna. Good enough. Alright, let's go back on the trail.
Okay, Kyle.
My feet are like.
Alright, Kyle. Then now you put it on the
Wait
baggie.
1 second. Okay.
Look, now you just fill this up. You put this on there, and then you just drink it out of there, out of the filter.
Drink it
fill
out of
this up
what?
with clean water. Got this. We got this.
Oh, the sun.
Well, now it's all dirty.
Okay, get nice snacky.
Oh my god.
Mommy!
Okay, that's as good as I get.
All right. Now drink it. Yay!
Ah,
Drink it.
it's like plastic. That was literally just like RO water.
Can I use it?
So how was it, Kyle?
Nah, great.
You know what, Kyle? Get your hand in there. And
I
drink the
already
water.
did. It was great.
I got it on video.
Not on video.
Check out the video.
That was actually disgusting. Wait, can I see the bag? Let's drink out of the bag.
No, it's gonna start.
Yeah, it's bad.
Here, I got a water bottle for you.
Kyle, wave to the camera.
Zach.
Wave to the gosh dang camera.
Hi. Alright guys, watch this.
Lifestyle video.
Wow, get a close up of this. Dude, this is literally spring water. It says public spring water. And this is like, well, it's a river, but. You want some, Zach? I'll fill some up for you.
Zach, was I supposed to say something for you?
You want to swap?
Kyle.
Can you get me one of these for my birthday?
That's good.
Dude, I'm telling
It's a
you.
little aftertaste. But
It's, yeah. It's not great water, but dude.
yeah.
No, it is great water. It's not perfect. Oh, no, the cat. Got it.
I think I want to be a hippie when I grow up. Okay. Like when you grow up?
All right, everyone, wave bye to the camera. Everyone, wave bye to the camera.